In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be challenging. With busy work schedules and various stressors, finding the time and energy to prepare healthy meals can be a struggle. This is where Herbalife comes in, a global nutrition and weight management company that offers a wide range of high-quality products to support a healthy lifestyle. In this article, we will explore some delicious and easy-to-prepare healthy recipes with Herbalife products. Key points. 1. The importance of proper nutrition. Before we dive into the recipes, it is essential to understand the importance of proper nutrition. A well-balanced diet can improve overall health, boost energy levels, and enhance the body's natural defenses. 2. Herbalife products. Herbalife offers a variety of products including meal replacement shakes, protein bars, and supplements that are formulated to provide essential nutrients to the body. These products are also convenient and easy to incorporate into daily meals and snacks. 3. Breakfast recipes. Breakfast is often considered the most important meal of the day. With Herbalife, you can start your day with a nutritious and delicious breakfast shake. Simply blend together Herbalife Formula 1 meal replacement, shake mix, milk, fruits, and ice for a quick and filling breakfast. 4. Lunch and dinner recipes. For lunch and dinner, you can enjoy a wide range of options with Herbalife products. One simple yet tasty recipe is a protein-packed Greek yogurt dressing made with Herbalife Formula 1 shake mix. Combine plain Greek yogurt, diced cucumber, lemon juice, and a scoop of Herbalife Formula 1 shake mix for a flavorful and healthy dressing for salads or grilled meats. 5. Snack options. Snacking can be a downfall for many people when trying to maintain a healthy diet. Instead of reaching for unhealthy options, try making protein balls with Herbalife Formula 1 shake mix. Simply mix oats, peanut butter, honey, and a scoop of Herbalife Formula 1 shake mix, roll into balls, and refrigerate for a quick and nutritious snack. Interesting facts. Herbalife products are scientifically formulated by experts in the field of nutrition, ensuring high quality and effective results. The company offers personalized nutrition plans to meet individual needs and goals. Herbalife products are available in over 90 countries, making it accessible to people worldwide. Insights. Incorporating Herbalife products into your diet not only provides essential nutrients, but also makes healthy eating easier and more convenient. With a variety of options for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, you can enjoy delicious meals while supporting your health and wellness goals. Conclusion. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With Herbalife, you can easily incorporate high-quality and nutritious products into your meals to support a healthy lifestyle. Explore a variety of recipes and discover your favorite combinations for a delicious and fulfilling diet. Start your journey towards a healthier you today with Herbalife.